You've heard the wild claim that our entire universe might actually be inside a black hole. But today we're asking why serious scientists think it could be true and what that really means. Because deep in the math of black holes lies a strange pattern, one that mirrors the way our universe behaves. Galaxies are racing apart, space itself is stretching, and even the faint afterglow of the Big Bang carries clues that we might be living inside something far more massive than we can imagine. In the end, you might see why this idea refuses to die, and why it might make terrifying sense. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. At a certain point, the star's mass compresses into an extremely small region, warping space and time in ways that seem almost paradoxical. Mathematically, this happens when a star's radius r falls below its Schwarzschild radius. Inside this radius, space and time behave differently. What looks like falling inward from the outside can feel like expanding outward from the inside, similar to how we observe our universe expanding, with galaxies moving away from each other. And this is what makes scientists wonder if an entire universe could exist inside a black hole. The Big Bang, the moment our universe was born, can also be described as a singularity, a point where density becomes infinite. And when scientists calculate the average density of the universe using the Hubble constant and the laws of gravity, something astonishing happens. The numbers echo what we see inside a black hole. It's as if the same mathematics that define a black hole's core also shape the birth of our cosmos. That strange overlap led some physicists to ask a daring question. What if our universe itself began as the collapse of a massive star, inside another universe? And if the math alone wasn't enough to convince them, the evidence written across the sky certainly was. And these are clues, real, measurable clues, that make this idea hard to ignore. First, the cosmic background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, is almost perfectly uniform, just as it would be if we were inside a stable, enclosed structure like a black hole. Second, the way our universe expands mirrors the way space and time behave inside a black hole, stretching faster the further out you go. And third, the edge of the observable universe acts like a massive event horizon. Beyond it, we can't see, can't measure, can't even guess what lies outside. It's as if we're sealed inside the cosmic version of a black hole, looking outward, but forever trapped within its vast interior. Time inside a black hole bends in ways that defy everything we expect. Scientists describe it mathematically, but in simple terms, the closer you get to the center, the slower time passes compared to someone far away. Near the boundary, the event horizon, a clock might appear frozen to an outsider, while ticking normally for someone falling in. If our universe exists inside a black hole, we are like that clock. From an external perspective, our entire cosmic history might flash by in an instant. Yet inside, time ticks as it always has. This stretching of time could even help explain why galaxies drift apart, as if space itself is expanding from within. Some scientists take the idea even further. Imagine this. Every black hole could spawn a brand new universe, and every universe teems with black holes. Existence might not be a straight line. It could be an endless, looping chain. Universes nested within universes, black holes giving birth to new cosmic realms. Our own universe could be just one fragile link in this infinite web of creation. And right now, could a universe be forming inside Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy, the very center of our Milky Way, hiding a cosmic secret? Mathematical models say it's possible. Each black hole a mysterious cradle, a seed of creation that may or may not blossom into a brand new cosmos. So tonight, when you gaze at the stars, remember, the universe you see might be just the interior of a black hole, and every law of physics, from the swelling of galaxies to the tick of time itself, is shaped by that unimaginable, invisible world. We may not just live in the universe, we may be living inside a black hole's dream. If this journey through the cosmos amazed you, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this wonder with others.